Alright, so today we're doing my pork fried rice, but we're not using rice at all. We're using broccoli and cauliflower rice, which is just broccoli and cauliflower heads, blitzed up in a blender, pulsed a couple of times until it resembles rice. It's a lot healthier than rice. Let's get into it. Alright, so the ingredients we got today, we got some broccoli and cauliflower rice. Like I said earlier, you can do your own with some broccoli heads, some cauliflower heads, just pulse it up in the blender till it resembles rice like that. But I just bought this because it's already done. I got some 250 grams of pork mince, organic pork mince. I've got 2 stalks of celery, 1 brown onion and 1 carrot. I've got some chili jam, some cracked pepper, and I've got some coconut aminos. Now coconut aminos is like soy sauce. It's a healthier alternative to soy sauce. Hasn't got the salt in it. You can get salt reduced soy sauce, but like I said, this has got a lot less salt and it's a lot healthier for you than any soy sauce you can get. And then I just got some coriander. Now we're going to use all this coriander. We're going to use the leaves later on, and we're going to use the stalks for in the fried rice. So we're just going to chop this up. Don't just use the leaves, use the stalks as well. There's so much flavour, so much nutrients in the stalks. A lot of people just throw them out. They're so good. You're going to chop. Now with the celery, we're just going to dice everything up basically. So just dice it all up. Throw it in there, into a container. Throw your coriander stalks into the container because we're going to fry all this up at the same time. And just do the same, dice your carrot and your onion, all the same size. Same with your carrot, dice that up. Just cut it into slices like this. Just cut it like that. And just dice it up, same size everything else. You can do the carrot a little bit small if you like. Alright, so once everything's chopped up, we'll get over to the stove and we'll start cooking. Alright, so we're going to use coconut oil. It's my main oil I use now. It's a lot healthier. I switched to this about a week ago. Alright, so we're going to chuck some coconut oil in there. The pan's on medium-high heat. Throw in those veggies, saute them off. Now we're just going to saute these off until they're cooked all the way through. Then we're going to add our pork mince in, cook that off. Alright, so these are just about done. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. I'm going to stir that in, cook that off. I'm going to give these about 1 more minute, cook that garlic off, finish cooking these veggies. Alright, so these veggies are nice and softened now. So we're just going to throw that pork mince in. Crumbled it up a little bit so it's easier to break up in the pan. If you crumble it up with your hands first, like I said in previous videos, it's just a lot easier to break up. So just going to stir this in, brown that off. Right, we're just going to let this brown off for 1.5 minutes. Just keep giving it a stir every now and again. You want to add some cracked pepper. We don't want to add any salt at this point anyway. We'll check the seasoning later. But we're going to add that coconut aminos, which has a little bit of a salty flavour. So we don't want to over salt it, otherwise there's no point in getting rid of the soy sauce really. Now you can find that coconut aminos in most of your major supermarkets. Most of them have an organic aisle now, so I'll be in that nice organic health food aisle. Or if you've got an organic supermarket where you are, I'll have it there. Right, so keep breaking that pork mince up as it's cooking. Breaking it up earlier, like I said, is going to make this a lot easier than if you just chucked it straight in out of the pack. So when it's just about cooked, I want to throw in our broccoli and cauliflower rice. Stir that in. Now this won't take long to cook at all now. About 1.5 minutes off. All we want to do is cook this broccoli and cauliflower rice. Right. So now we just want to add some of our coconut aminos. Just sprinkle some over. Add about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons. Depends how strong you like it. We're going to add half a tablespoon of that chili jam. Stir it in. And we're just going to let this cook off for another 1.5 minutes, and they'll be ready to plate up. Alright, the last thing we want to do is we want to add those coriander leaves that I've just chopped up. Stir them in, and that's about it. All done, ready to plate up. Turn off the heat, and let's get plating. Rightio guys, and to plate up, all we do, in the middle of the bowl, I've got some fresh picked coriander here. This is going to give you 3 beautiful serves here. Right in the middle. And we just want to get some of our fresh picked coriander, put it around. And there we have it. That's my cauliflower and broccoli fried rice. So much healthier than normal rice. It's very keto and paleo friendly if you're on a keto or paleo diet. Rightio guys, that's my broccoli and cauliflower pork fried rice. It's a lot healthier than normal rice. Give this one a go. It's not going to bloat you up, make you feel bloated. It's good for you. It's keto and paleo friendly. Remember, if you like my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe down the bottom. I really appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.